And these are J.D. Vance's and Usha Vance's young children that are joining for the swearing in, along with his mother there in red.
Please raise your right hand and repeat after me. I, James David Vance, do solemnly swear.
I, James David Vance, do solemnly swear
that I will support and defend the Constitution of the United States
that I will support and defend the Constitution of the United States
against all enemies, foreign and domestic,
against all enemies, foreign and domestic,
that I will bear true faith
that I will bear true faith
and allegiance to the same, that I take this obligation freely without any mental reservation or purpose of evasion, and that I will well and faithfully discharge the duties of the office on which I am about to enter. So help me God. Congratulations, Mr. Vice President.
And we have a new Vice President of the United States, J.D. Vance, sworn in by Supreme Court Justice Brett Kavanaugh. What we should note is that the second lady, Usha Vance, actually clerked for Brett Kavanaugh when he was a judge at the United States Court of Appeals for the District of Columbia. Usha also clerked for Chief Justice John Roberts when he was at the Supreme Court. She is a noted lawyer herself. And they are slowly ushering their young children out the door, along with J.D. Vance's mother, as it is just 12:01, the time when the new president is supposed to be sworn in. Now the Chief Justice.
Please raise your right hand and repeat after me. I, Donald John Trump, do solemnly swear.
I, Donald John Trump, do solemnly swear
that I will faithfully execute the office of President of the United States and will, to the best of my ability, preserve, protect, and defend the Constitution of the United States. So help me God. Congratulations, Mr. President.
And now we have the 47th President of the United States, President Donald Trump, only the second president in history to serve non-consecutive terms, sworn in on the Bible given to him by his mother and the Lincoln Bible. Congratulated by his family and friends.
Oh, you noticed a little scrambling there of the family to get up there, and they moved a couple of the music numbers later to get this done as close to noon as they possibly could. About 20 minutes behind on the regular schedule, but they repositioned. I don't know that it's absolutely essential, but certainly traditional to get that done at noon.
And because of that, we're not sure what's next. We don't know if it's the end.
Exactly.
A fitting way to start the Trump administration.
Because the schedule has been changed around a little bit,